Hey everybody! Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Chef Elaine. Today we are making a wonderful dinner treat for you today. It is chicken parmesan. Look at these beautiful chicken parmesan. Yes, and baby girl is ready to eat. I love it. And you are going to love it too. Your children are going to love it too. Look at her doing the happy dance. Yes. Let's go ahead and make this dinner. Okay, so for today, our ingredients are going to be chicken breast that we're going to season up. Spaghetti, because we're going to put our chicken parm on a bed of spaghetti. We have our cheeses. We have our Parmesan cheese, and we also have sharp cheddar cheese, and of course our tomato sauce. So let's get into seasoning this chicken. One way to get nice thin strips of your chicken breast is if you have a mallet, a meat mallet, you can go ahead and place parchment or even plastic wrap over your chicken breast and begin to beat it so that it's thin. Another way, if you don't have one of those, is to just make sure that you're going across your chicken breasts, pressing down so that you're getting evenness of cutting. And then you have your thin chicken breast to work with. Clean it up. Wonderful, nice, thin chicken breast. Right. Nice, thin chicken breast. All right, so now I separated my chicken breasts, those that were on the top layer of my chicken breast and the bottom layer of my chicken breast separated, just so that, because I know that they're gonna require different different cooking times, so I wanted to make sure that I know I'm gonna take these out earlier then and keep these in for much longer. Now I'm gonna go in with my seasoning for both. I'm gonna go with seasoned salt here, all-purpose seasoned salt, and I'm going to season it generously on both sides. Some touch of black pepper. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Paprika. Okay, so right now I have 3 eggs that I have scrambled, mixed up, to dredge my chicken breast in. And I also have 2 cups of flour that I have seasoned with the same seasonings that I did with my chicken. And now for the dredging process, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with flour on both sides. Dust off any excess flour. Drop it right into my egg mixture. Next side. And then right back into my flour. Excess egg drippings. Wonderful. And I already have my hot pan going with some oil, so I can go ahead and start dropping these chickens in once they're done dredging. Okay, I have some water boiling for my spaghetti. I'm gonna go ahead and start placing my spaghetti down. And just to make sure that the ends are not going to burn, I'm just gonna continue to move it, roll it around in my hot water so that I can continue to go down and down and down until everything gets nicely down. Gotta submerge everything in that hot water as possible. Lastly, more cheese on top. And if this is not enough cheese, then you can also add some shredded cheddar cheese. You could even put a nice wedge of provolone or mozzarella cheese. Okay, so let's place it in our preheated oven that's in 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Wow. 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 Look at this beautiful chicken parm dinner. Ooh. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I am giving you these wonderful hints, tips, recipes that you can try for yourself at home. You can even do them with little ones. All you gotta do is tune in, hit that notification button, and keep watching my videos. I'm coming out with nothing but bangers. This is so wonderful. Let's go ahead and try this. Okay, let's dig in. First of all, we gotta see how this chicken is looking. This chicken, ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Cooked to perfection. Let me get some of this spaghetti. Cut this spaghetti off. Ooh. Look at that. Don't mind it dropping. Cooked to perfection. Oh my gosh. And you see that it's dripping. Oh my gosh, let me get that. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Moist from that chicken. That basil tomato sauce, I'm tasting it. The parm. Ooh. This dinner is doing wonderful. Mmm. This is it. This is one for the books. This is one for the books. Make this. Let's go. You will not be disappointed. That's all I gotta say about that. Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to comment. Also, hit that notification button, as well as watching my other videos. You're gonna see them down below. You're gonna see it pop up down below. So click on those videos and watch them, try them for yourself, and let me know how it worked out for you. See you later.